The CX-5 is a sporty crossover that features car-like handling and the versatility of an SUV. This all-wheel drive 2016 shows well in black and comes winter-ready with 17-inch wheels and snow tires installed. From the back, the sporty look continues with a color-matched spoiler, shark fin antenna, rear privacy glass, and dual chrome exhaust. Opening the hatch reveals a large cargo area that offers loads of room for your gear. From the driver's side, this 5-door hatchback has a clean European look with a blacked-out grille and body moldings, projector beam headlights, and fog lights. Inside, the cabin feels roomy and upscale with leather-heated sport seats, power windows and locks, cruise control, a leather-wrapped wheel with tilt steering, a power sunroof, and an AM/FM CD display audio system with Bluetooth and a backup camera. The CX-5 feels like a sports car inside with form-fitting seats, and in the back there's a drop-down center console and fold-down rear seat backs. The engine bay is factory fresh and power comes from a Skyactiv 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine mated to an automatic transmission. If you're interested in this impressive 2016 Mazda CX-5, call today and book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.